this video, we're unboxing and installing the off-road LED lights on this Ford F-150 2014. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Instruction manual, light pod wiring harness, switch, positive and negative power supply, triangle plug, light pod unit, light pod dust cover, bracket base cushion block, mounting screw, washer, lock nut, light pod bracket adjustment tool, flathead screwdriver, tools required for the off-road LED lights installation, cable ties, 8mm open-end ratcheting wrench, 13mm open-end wrench, 13mm open-end ratcheting wrench, diagonal pliers, open the engine compartment hood. Remove the driver's side firewall wiring harness grommet. Insert the switch through the firewall opening. Root the switch out from the driver's side steering wheel area. The switch has two functions: main light switch button, RGB mode. Remove the adhesive backing. Install according to personal preference. Select an appropriate installation location based on the vehicle model. Organize the wiring harness. Connect the switch plug. After organizing the wiring harness, secure with cable ties. Trim the excess with diagonal pliers. After organizing the wiring harness, secure with cable ties. Trim the excess with diagonal pliers. Find a suitable location for the relay and fuse. Secure with cable ties. Trim the excess with diagonal pliers. Organize the plug wiring. Secure with cable ties. Trim the excess with diagonal pliers. After organizing the plug wiring, secure with cable ties. Trim the excess with diagonal pliers. Slide the screw into the hole. Place the bracket cushion block onto the screw. Install the base. Assemble in the order of flat washer, spring washer, and nut. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to tighten the nut. Root the light pod plug into the engine compartment. Connect to the wiring harness plug from earlier. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to loosen the positive battery terminal screw. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal. Hand start the nut. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to tighten the nut. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to loosen the negative battery terminal nut. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to tighten the nut. Close the engine compartment hood. These two are the dust covers for the lights. They can protect the light unit and also allow for DIY customization, leaving them half open or half closed. The switch has two buttons. The top button is for the RGB mode. The RGB mode has two modes. One is breathing mode. The other is solid color mode. Now it is in solid color mode. Now it is in breathing mode. The bottom button is the main light switch. Now it is in the off state. Now it is in the on state. To turn off the RGB mode, press and hold the RGB button for 3 seconds. To turn it off,